Our triangle bracket consists of three main parts, which is this short and long bracket and this connecting rod. Please first install the three short brackets to connect the long brackets. After the installation, and then connect the three connecting rods to the three short brackets and long brackets, so that the following three-legged bracket is installed. After fixing the bracket, we are left with a cross arm. It needs to be installed according to the diagram corresponding to the sensor. Here we use the nut to connect the cross arm to the long bracket, and you can take a closer look at the hole position. We need to note that the sensor cables are coming out from underneath the cross arm. Akan will deal with the next wiring issues in step 4. In addition to the front, which are mounted on the cross arm sensors, like temperature, humidity and pressure of these multi-plate radiation shield gas sensors, are generally installed using this bending plate. First, use the hoops to fix the installation on the tripod lever. We then install the multi-plate radiation shield on the bending plate. Finally, the shelters are installed.